Hey guys, hope you guys are doing great. Gorgeous, you're welcome. I am fine. Hey, so guys, from as you can see from the title, that is what we'll be discussing today. I want to tell you guys how my family reacted when I told them that I was pregnant. Guys, ah, it was really an amazing moment. It was a moment that I will remember for the rest of my life. For the rest of my life, I'm telling you guys how my mom reacted, how my sisters reacted, how my mom-in-law reacted, how my in-laws they reacted. Everybody, just that I don't have the footage to show you guys. It never came to me to like record that when I was surprising them about my pregnancy. I don't know why it did not reoccur to me, but I had it in mind that one day I will come here to tell you guys how my family reacted when I told them that I'm pregnant after 13 years of searching for the fruit of the womb. After 13 years, how they reacted, it was just so minion. A true minion. Anyway, let me start from my mom-in-law because I told my mom-in-law first before my mom. I will tell you guys the reason why I had to tell my mom-in-law first before my mom. If you've been watching my stories, you will know that I'm very close to my mom-in-law. She's a friend, she's a mom-in-law, she's a mom, she's everything. We share so many things, okay? This is the thing that I have kept away from her. Because why I did this was I have my own reason. Like if you watch that video I shared about how my friends reacted when I told them I was pregnant, you will understand. So if you've not watched that video, I'm going to link it here so that you watch it. So why I had to tell my mom-in-law late was that miscarriage I had, she followed me to the hospital to check, and it was both of us that heard the heartbeat of that baby first. She was traumatized. She was so down. She was terribly hot when I had this miscarriage. Like me, you understand? You guys knew I said it in that video that I was really down. I even had to travel to Nigeria because of that, just to regain myself. I think I did not say that in that video, but I had to, because of that, I had to like buy my ticket and I went to Nigeria because of the way I was feeling. I just need to be around my family. You guys know that I'm alone here in Europe. The rest of my family, they are back home. So I just had to go back to Nigeria so that to get that family love and comfort, you understand, for them to like comfort me and for me to be free, you understand, because it was so heavy on me. So that's the reason why I did not tell my mom-in-law. I told my hubby, I said, this will be a surprise to her. Why I told her before my mom, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. I used to go to her place always. Me and her, we used to go out, we do shopping, we do everything together. So it got to a time when I was pregnant, at the early age when I was going for ultrasound, she don't know that I was pregnant. I do go to her place. I will lie to her that I have sore throat, I need to see doctor. Sometimes I will tell her I have this problem, I need to see doctor. She don't know that I was going to my gynecologist place, okay? The gynecolog, she don't know that I was going to my gynecolog place. She thought I was just going to see my family doctor because my family doctor is just close to our house, okay? Sometimes she will call me, are you still there? I'll say, there are much people here. That is why I gave her so many excuses. So when my bump was not showing, I never want to go to see her. So she don't see me for a very long time. She was not worried. She tell my hubby, your wife don't come. She said don't come to see me again. Did I wrong her? Have I done anything wrong? My hubby will say, no, she's just busy with work. Don't worry, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 6 months and half. We are just telling her stories. She will say she want to come. My hubby will say, no, don't worry, don't call. If you call, you're going to disturb her. She have a lot of work. We just kind of deceived her. It was when it was becoming too much that she's so worried. She really want to come. She really want to see me. She want to know what is wrong. I just told my hubby, I'm going to put the message here. If I can, insert the message and the video I sent her. I did a video and I wrote a text, myself and my hubby, and we just told her that you're going to be a grandmother. I knew when I sent that video, immediately my mom-in-law will see that video. It will be like, is she dreaming? Or did she miss an episode? Is something wrong? You guys understand. So we just told her that we wanted to surprise you, and this is the surprise we'll be keeping from you for all these months, that you'll be worried thinking that something else is wrong. Guys, when my mom-in-law saw that video, immediately, it's like the thing she just received it, immediately, bam, she called me immediately. She was like, is it true? Am I dreaming? Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? The way she said, well, my mom is that kind of person that stressed a lot. We knew that if we tell her she's going to be stressed all the time, to say, I hope the baby is okay, hope everything is going well. That is the reason why we still kept it away from her. Hope this is that. She just called me. She was so, she couldn't believe it. She couldn't be, the way she was sounding on the phone, it's as if she was crying. She's saying, at last, because she saw the bomb big. You understand? It's not like when my tummy is really big. I'm going to put that video here. I will insert it here. The exact video I did to send to her. She was so happy. I think to her, she said it's one of the best days of her life. It's one of the best days of her life. Receiving that video, she was so happy. So happy. So that is my mom-in-law. Then my sister. I called one of my sisters that is so close to me. I told her, my sister, she knew all this. Why? She's the only one that knew, because when I was pregnant, I just sent her the pregnancy test that I did. This Clear Blue. I just sent it to her that I am pregnant. She was shocked. She just said, Jesus! That was what her, she screamed. She was just giving glory. There's a song she sang. She sang that, she said, what man cannot do, he has done. I forgot the song. Whether what men think is it possible, my God has done it for me. There's one song she sang. She was just praising God. She was just praising God. I said, shh, don't tell anybody. She said, I'm going to keep it. It's only you that is aware. My sister was so happy. Then it came to Christmas. So I said, I told my sister, I said, we need to surprise mom, because I know she's worried. She always prays. She always asks me, what are you doing? You have to come to Nigeria again. I said, don't worry, mom. Well, and I was pregnant already. She told me she went to see a pastor. The pastor said, don't worry, your daughter is going to have a child. Is going to have a male child. She don't know. She was telling me. It's not as if she knew that I was pregnant. She was not telling me. The pastor said, don't worry, your daughter is going to have children, and her first child will be a male child, and I will keep praying for her. Don't worry. My mom was telling me, she said, pray, always seek doctors if anything is wrong. I said, I have seen doctors. Mom, I have seen, I used to pray. She said she know, but she don't know why this miscarriage. I said, me, I don't know, but don't worry, God will take care of it. When she wants to talk of miscarriage, my heart will just be beating. I would say, you say all this miscarriage, I don't know why. I told the pastor too, I've been praying, I'll pray, you pray. I say, mom, don't worry, I'm praying. Then I was pregnant. She never knew, only my sister. So Christmas, I told my sister that. My sister said my mom had been so worried. She's worried. She's always talking about me. She wants to carry my child. She wants to carry my children. She don't know why I don't want to come. And since that last time, the woman said I should come, that she needs to do other things for me. Then I'm already pregnant. I was already pregnant. So Christmas was coming, and I told my sister we have to surprise her now. Now is the time to surprise her. So I just called my mom. I remember that day, Jesus, I just told my sister I'm going to call her now on video call. So I called my mom and I just said, Amma, look. She was doing like this. I think she was speechless. She was like, what am I saying? What am I saying? She was just doing. I said, Amma, can you see? He said, yes, 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 Jesus, just for me, just for me. My mom was just singing praises, which means in my local language, God is the King. God is the King. Jesus is the King. My mom was just singing praises. I showed her. We were now dancing. She called my sister. Go. My mom was so happy. She said this will be the best Christmas for her. Oh Jesus, what is she saying? It was so. I don't know why I did not capture those moments, but they are still very fresh in my head. It's as if it's just yesterday. My mom was just dancing. She was rolling on the floor. She was giving praises. She was singing. Oh my God. It was really amazing. It was amazing. My mom was so happy. My brother's son was with my mom. She said, my brother's son. I said, is that not Tata? Because they used to call me Tata. Is that not Tata? Is she pregnant? My mother said, no, shh. No, it's not Tata. Because you don't want anybody to know. Because I told her, I don't want anybody to know. I just want to keep it. So you know, said, is it big? Her tummy is so big. My mom said, shh. How do you know? A boy of 6 to 7 years. How do you know? It's not Tata. It was just, it was so sweet. It was great. It was. Oh, I can't really explain it. The joy, even me, the joy. I'm so happy and thankful to God. Then we told my sisters, my other sisters, they were just calling me. I said, shh, keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. They said, yes, all we need to do is just to pray. It's only prayers. I said, yes, that is all we need to do. Prayers. Thanks to God. So after that, I had to surprise my hobby's uncle that always visits us. He always come here. If you're watching my stories, you will see during summer they always come here. Even during my son's baptism, they are here. They are godparents. So I said, okay, it's not their turn. So I now sent a picture of my pregnancy. That was after Christmas because I did the gender review with my friend that I surprised that came. It was when my friend came. I said that in that video. So the picture I took, I now sent it to them. Immediately the wife called. What am I saying? Are we going to have a child? Are we having a baby? I said yes. So when we came after you were pregnant, oh God, I told my hubby, I said, Chelsea is not like this. She's so weak. The way she's behaving. And my tummy is flat. It was just some weeks. The pregnancy was just some weeks. They did not know. Just some weeks when they came. You see, I told my hubby, even my hubby said that, Chelsea is so dull. She's not smart. Chelsea that is so lively. He said, no, that's when we came, you were pregnant. She's so happy, Tata Kati. Si tu regardes ces vidéos, c'est pour toi. Oh, guys, they were so happy. The uncle, they called me. They are happy. Oh, we are going to be. The uncle said, I'm going to have a grandson because I just told them that he's a boy. Hey, I'm going to have a grandson. He's so happy. So that same day, I sent to my hubby's auntie. She just sent me a message. It was something of joy. It's something that God, everyone reaction. You know when you've been expecting something for years, they now surprise you. And this surprise, I don't know, maybe it's something they never saw it coming. It's something they never imagined. I don't know whether they don't imagine it or maybe they did not think of it. I don't know how I will explain it. It was just too fantastic. So that was how I surprised my family when I was pregnant. That was how I surprised them, and the surprise was seriously. In French they say seriously. So I'm so happy, and my son is here with me. The joy of motherhood. Each time if I wake up in the morning, if I see my son smile, I say, Oh, my boo boo, I love you. That is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's short. I never want to make it long. So I will see you guys in my next one. Guys, let me know your experience. If you are a first-time mom or you've been a mom several times, if you surprised your family or you kept it, how did they feel? What was their expression? I want to know in the comment section. All right, guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Mwah. Ciao, guys. Ciao. 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 Bye. Love you. Love, love, love.